Hello viewers, today I am making prawn 65. It's very easy to prepare and makes a very good starter. They are always a comfort food for me and this is my family's favorite recipe. So let's get started. In a bowl, add 750 grams of washed and deveined prawns. Add 1 tablespoon ginger and garlic paste, 2 teaspoon red chilli powder, 2 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon black pepper powder, 1/4 teaspoon red color, 1 teaspoon salt, adjust as per your taste, goes in 1 tablespoon lemon juice and 1 egg. 2 tablespoon corn flour powder, 2 tablespoon all-purpose flour. Combine all the ingredients together and marinate this for 1 to 2 hours or overnight. Heat oil in a pan, drop the marinated prawns one by one into the heat. Leave it for 2 minutes and flip the prawns. After 5 minutes, take them out and drain in a paper towel. And now heat 4 tablespoon oil in a pan. To this I am adding 1 teaspoon finely chopped ginger, 2 teaspoon finely chopped garlic, 2 green chillies finely slitted, 4 dry red chillies, some curry leaves. Fry this for 30 seconds. To this I am adding 2 to 3 tablespoons red chili sauce. Give a good mix. Add some water and mix it well. Now I am adding fried prawns in it. Cook for 2 minutes on low heat and mix well till the sauce coats all over the prawns. Turn off the heat. Serve hot with some lemon wedges. I am really happy to share this recipe with you guys and I encourage you to try this at home and let me know how it turned out for you. Don't forget to tag us on our Instagram page chimmies.kitchen. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit that little bell icon. We'll see you in our next video. Till then, take care and happy cooking.